Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up OctoPrint on your Raspberry Pi using Octopi. Let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and get started. First step, we're going to head over to octoprint.org and grab Octopi, which is their Raspberry Pi image, which we'll be able to put on our Raspberry Pi SD card. So you'll hop over here and you'll download that right from there. I already have it, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel that download. And then the next step here is we're going to hop over to Etcher and grab Etcher from Balena. It's an open source free project. Grab whatever image for your computer. I have Linux, but I've already downloaded it. And then we'll go ahead and hop over to our file browser here. Oh, just kidding. Hop over to our disk manager. And then what we'll want to do is we'll want to format our SD card. Go ahead and do that. And then we'll go ahead and we'll add a partition here. I'm just going to go ahead and name it Octopi for now. And one important thing, you'll just want to make sure it's formatted FAT32 for it to work. I'm not sure how much of a difference this makes, but at least FAT32 seems to show up in Etcher. And we'll go ahead and mount that partition. So we're done with disks for now. Now we can open up our file browser. And the first thing we'll want to do is we'll want to extract Etcher and open that up. On Linux here, you extract it and it's an app image, so you've actually got to just make sure it's set to execute under permissions here. So that way it'll work optimally. Or at all, actually. And then you can double click to open it. And now Etcher is asking for a file, so we're going to go ahead and we'll extract that Octopi image. Alright, then we've got our Octopi image in our downloads. We'll go ahead and grab that in Etcher. Make sure the device is set to your SD card that you're flashing to. Enter your password and hit continue. Here I've gone ahead and I've increased the speed on it so that you guys don't have to wait. It does take quite a while though. Next, if you want to set up Wi-Fi, you're going to go ahead and hop over to the SD card that Etcher made for you. And then head over to the partition called boot and look for this file called octopi wpa supplicant.txt. And right where I'm showing here, you want to enter in your Wi-Fi credentials. First, you'll remove all of the hashtags here before these 5 lines. And then you'll put in your network name right here and then your password right below it. So let's jump over to the Raspberry Pi here and get it ready to go. And then we're going to hop back over to our computer here and we're going to go to a website called octopi.local. That'll actually access the Raspberry Pi over your local network. If you see this screen, don't worry. Just give the Pi a couple minutes to turn on and then hopefully OctoPrint should come online pretty soon after that. And then there we go. Welcome to OctoPrint. We're going to go through the setup wizard here. Here, I'd recommend setting up a username and password just so that way no one on your network can access it unless they have that. So that way, you're the only one who can print or anyone with those credentials can print. Here, I disabled usage tracking. That's up to you personally. By default, the connectivity check, I don't know, I would say it's fine. So I would just enable the connectivity check. But once again, personal preference, it's all up to you. On this next page here, configure blacklist processing, I would just enable that so you don't install any plugins that'll break your Octopi setup. And then setting up your printer profile. Here I set mine up for my custom Ender 3 Pro. So I'm going to go ahead and just type in Ender 3 Pro for the name and the model. And then I went ahead and double checked, but the bed settings are as follows for an Ender 3 Pro. I believe the rest of the settings are pretty much good to go. And then just hit next. And then we are all set. If we go ahead and hit finish here, we should be good to use OctoPrint. And there we go. What you want to do now is you want to go ahead and hit that connect button right there, and that'll actually connect you to your printer if you have it plugged in over USB. You'll see we are operational, we are good to print. Now you want to grab a print like Benchy here and then get going on it. You'll want to bring it into a slicer still like Cura. And then once you've run it through Cura and you've got the G code, you're actually able to go back to OctoPrint, upload it, and then hit this print button right here. And that'll actually get us started printing. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. For now, peace.